Hello everyone, my name is Rohit from the Unemployed CEO family. Those who don't know me, I'm a professional trader. I work in forex, cryptos, stocks, ETFs in each and every way where we can make money. So in my last video, I told you that you need to make 0.3% in each single day so you can increase your account by more than 783% in each single year. So today I am going to reveal my first method. By using this method, you can consistently make 0.3% in each single day of your trading session. So let's go through this process after the short intro. So in my last video, I told you about making 0.3% of consistent profit each single day. So my first method is using pivot points. So what are pivot points? What the definition is, you better search it on Google, as he'll give you a better definition than me. But I'm not interested in definition. I'm interested in how it works. So let's go through this chart. So I open intraday chart using 10-minute candlestick. I prefer taking 10-minute candlestick as 5 minutes is more fluctuating than 10. You can go for 10 or 15, but I prefer to go on 10. So now this is a candlestick pattern and I have plotted a pivot points 1, 2, 3. Now these are not I have plotted. I just selected a study for pivot points and by the standard default setting I have applied it. The pivot points are arranged using the prior data, that is last day data. Now you can see this is our first pivot line, this is our second pivot line, this is our third pivot line, and this is our fourth pivot line. What we have to see, either our candle starts breaking the pivot line in the above direction or below direction. If it crosses in above direction, we have to go for buy signal. If it crosses in below direction, we have to go for sell signal. So our first candle of the day starts over here, which crosses this pivot line in the above direction, and it also ends above the pivot line. So for the second candle, we can go for buy signal here. If we went for buy signal, we have to just make a 0.3 of percentage of profit. Now for a strike for a stock price of 146, moment of 0.5 is giving you 0.3 percentage. It has moved more than 0.3 over here and you can book your 0.3. Stocks started falling down in downward direction. So the third candle now here started showing the downward or the bullish trend, and here it crosses the pivot line and also ends below the pivot line. Now if it's ending below the pivot line, we can go for short sell. If you went for short sell over here, you can easily make a 0.3 percentage if it moves by 0.5. For stock in this case, its price is 146. It will depend upon the strike. It will depend upon the stock price. If the price of stock is like 300, moment of 0.3% means change in price by 1. So depending upon that, you have to calculate what is the 0.3 percentage. So don't be greedy, make 0.3 and get out the stock. So you can see it went all the way down. So here again you can see the stock has crossed the pivot line in the downward direction and also ended below the pivot line. So you can go for short sell over here, and if we went, we have to just make 0.3 percentage, and if we got that, just get off the stock. Now you can see it went down below, again started going up, and again it started going down. So remember, we have to just make 0.3 0.5 percentage. If the stock is in our favor, that is in the direction which we have placed the trade, it's okay to hold. But as soon as it started reversing the direction, you have to book your profit and get out the stock. But make sure to make at least 0.3 to 0.5 for each trade in a day. So now let's go through some live stocks and we'll see whether this strategy works or not. In every strategy you check, there is no guarantee of getting 100% success results. You have to apply some other things. Don't depend only on pivot points. I'll tell you in my further videos how to add each and every single step to your trade setup so you can get most of the profit trades and you get consistent profit of 0.3% each and every single day. Now let's go for some real charts, live trading, where I today just completed my 0.3 percentage and now I got free time, so I'll tell you how to do Let's go. So now this is not a ready-made example. I'll show you today all the charts that I have found, and so you can also find these charts using my technique, which I'll share in next video. But for now, just learn what are the pivot points and how it works to get a 0.3% of profit each every single day. So let's go for the second chart. Here is the second chart, and you can see this one is the pivot line over here. Now the other pivot lines are too far, so we can't see them. Yeah, here is the second one. So now the candle starts above the first pivot line, this one. But as the candle is so large, we can see it has already moved more than 0.3 to 0.5%. So the candles which are too big, we should not go for trade in such candles. But you can see after the downtrend continues, it has also crossed this second pivot line. Now here you can place a trade over here. So if this is the point where you can place your trade, it moves below till this 195. So for our stock of for the stock of 200, you can say a 0.3% is actually 0.5, and it has moved more than 0.5. So here you can book your 0.3%. Also, now let's see in some other cases. Now in this chart you can see the candle starts over here, started going down for a bullish signal, and the bullish trend continues. Now here it crosses the pivot line, but our candle has started above the pivot line, so we are not going to short sell, as because when the candle is running, it can go down and also can go up. We don't know, we can't predict the market in the exact direction, so we have to go with the trend. Now we can see it is going down, but we are not yet confirmed, because now you can see the further candles, but at the point when the market has started, we don't know what is going to go ahead. So what I do is I go for the total overall market, like whether the market is falling in overall or going up. So using that, I prefer to go, if the market is going down, I'll go for all the signals which are saying me to do a short sell. If the market is going up, I'll look for the charts where I can get buy signals. So now in this case, the market was dropping by more than 25% in the morning. So I prefer to go down the short sell here, but the candle were too big, so I didn't get a chance, because trading in a big candle is not a good option. But you can see this candle breaks the second pivot line over here, and the new candle starts below the pivot line. So now here you can go for short sell. Now if for the candle for 300 stock price, if you short sell here, if the stock moves by 1, you have made your 0.3%. Now let's see some other charts where we can also see the same case. Now here the candle starts over here and it shows the bullish. As I told you, the market was bullish this today. So candle moves down. The second candle starts over here. Now you can go for short sell, but I'll tell you why not. The first candle you can see, as I said you, not to trade in candles which are big in size. Now you can see it has moved from 188 till down till 186. That is a big movement, very big candle, as you can see, rather than other candles. So I'll wait, and now here I got one more signal where you can say go for short sell, and it's a small candle and it can show me downtrend, and it is showing me the downtrend. So I'll go for it. If I short sell over here, now a stock of 187, you can say moving by 0.56, 0.56, you get your 0.3%. Now if you short sell over here, till here you may have got your 0.3%. So no need to go for further ahead, but here you can book your profit. Now let's go for one more chart. Now here you can see the candle has started above this pivot line. The trend was overall bullish today, so market started falling down, and here it has crossed below the pivot line. But I prefer not to trade in this stock as the candles are too big, so it can go in my favor and also against my favor. But we have to trade risk free. that is making more profit, consistent profit each and every single day and taking minimum risk. So you should not trade over here. This is a very good example. Now next, okay, in this chart you can see this one is the pivot line. Yeah, this was the pivot line. The candle started above, started showing bullish signal, very big candle, no need to trade. Then again after some time this candle shows a very good downtrend, but has not just crossed, its wick has just crossed the pivot line, but not the candle overall. It has not closed below the pivot line. The next candle was also above the pivot line. The third candle ended below the pivot line. So now in next candle we can go for short sell. And if we have short sell over here, the candle has already in this candle only it's made its 0.3% of profit. We no need to go for just ahead. We have just book our profit in this candle itself. Now let's go for one last example. Okay, in this case, the candle started over here, showed a bullish signal till here, and this candle is too big, so you should not go in candles which is showing such great movement. So, but if you wait further ahead, now you can see after some time this candle has crossed the pivot line and the next candle started above. Now if you have placed your trade over here, you may think that you are going loss, but actually you made a profit because it has, this candle line has crossed above the pivot line, but still you don't trade because this candle is a very big candle. You need a small candle showing a good trend, either downtrend, uptrend or sideways. So now this is showing the uptrend, but the candle was too big, so we should not trade over here. But you got, in one day we find a lot of stocks and a lot of them shows such kind of things, but we need to find or filter out the good stocks so we can make a profit of 0.3% consistently each and every single day. And here you can see this candle has crossed the line below, and now the second candle we can place our trade, which has moved above and then now it is going below. But I'll tell you, you should not trade in this section, as now the time is, now the market is going to close. So after the last hour or last 1.5 hours, you should not go for any signals that you are getting, because you hardly get some candles which will give you a profit or loss. So if it goes in our direction, that's good, but if it's not, you should never go for trading for in such kind of signals when the last half hour or 1.5 hour is left of the trading session. Never go for these signals, go for the starting signals or in between signals of the trading session. So I hope you got my point, how to make 0.3% of consistent profit using my first method. Now I'll go through my second method in the next upcoming video, but before that I recommend you to please go to the unemployedceo.org site, my website, where you will find the beginner guide, the ultimate guide and the advanced guide, where you will be going through each and every process that I have learned to make more than 783% in each single year. You can also join my Facebook group, The Unemployed CEO, where you can connect yourself with the likely minded people all over the world. And if you got more questions about it, you can comment below, or you can also send me direct message on Instagram. I'll do my best to reply the answers and sort out your problem. Thank you.